Very good. Okay. So next thing you want to do, put the charger down. Put the charger. Okay, now here. No, put his plate. Put down his plate right there. Very good. All right, upper right. Okay. Now you're gonna have your knife here on the right side. I'll finish it up. Then your spoon, and then your fork. He wants some beans. You gonna give him one? You put it right there on his. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. All right, that's great. What about Big Red? Are you gonna go give Big Red one? You gonna hug him? Okay, everyone's getting a hug. Hi guys.
Mommy, I'm hugging one.
You need to sit Happy back up. Okay. Yeah, sit Happy back up. He fell down. Can you put him back up?
He fell down.
Yeah, put him back in his right spot. Are you telling everybody welcome? Welcome, guys.
Welcome, guys.
Have the salad. Okay, who wants salad, guys?
Bear.
Bear? Okay, Bear's getting salad. Okay. Okay, Bear. Who else is gonna get some salad? Okay.
Bear wants salad.
Oh, Bear wants all the salad. All right, you gonna feed it to him too? Okay, there you are. Okay. Amen. All right. Is your pasta good? Use your fork. Use your fork. Lovely pasta. Mmm. This is a nice veggie pasta. No meat nation. Don't eat it for real. It's pretend. It's pretend. Oh yeah, pretend. Okay. Anybody want a drink? Anybody want a drink? You want a drink, Nubi? Okay. There you go. Everybody's getting a drink.
I'm done.
You're all done?